my colleagues in the government, Pulal Malsoma Patjo Secretary Planning, Dr. C. Valoram Sana. I think it may not be out of mention here that we are badly in need of his service, and we are trying to get him back to Mizoram, but so far the responses we received is not that encouraging. But we are still keeping and fighting for this. And he made a mention about Estonia. I think I'd like to share something about Estonia with myself. In 1985, some of you may not have born in the I was the leader of the Indian delegate to the then USSR, and I happened to visit Estonia. I was welcomed by the mayor of Estonia in the city hall, and we delivered a speech. Something interesting about Estonia which I would like to share. I think I should say in Mizo. There's a beautiful lake on top of that city. Dilkan Hueni. So ang lalpa mo mga kang karon liyan nga in koi katsimpil rakdon ngitin. Ang lalpa kan in kan la salak loa. Kan la man loe may kan sakzahon dong hara. Atia. Dil goi chuan anile tubauri arre fele karon lianang karon chimang chuatia. Sudah transuan tun sengen tubauri hilare ilo ring ring ini. Antai mak zin soinani chu. Tin may chia. Din munasange may ma 40% unless later the car may chia niah. Anin chiel deu to amaro chu. Family life yon tolawanti fan ring pe to bawk silova. And in revert back like har kan tiswal hay chuan tiani. Anti lutuk ma de women in Ria. So the well the chu. Ania ya independent ramte alone ta ramoi takani. Purinjwala CEO Msum. Entrepreneurs, investors, farm and industry representatives, official and media. Good afternoon, all of you. Today marks a significant and historic milestone in Mizoram's journey of economic development. We are not merely launching two programs, we are collectively embracing a new way of thinking for our state. Through entrepreneurship, we envisioned a brighter future for Mizoram, built in Mizoram by the people of Mizoram for both local and global markets. The Mizoram Banakai Venture Capital Fund and the startup readiness level of Mizoram together represent a new paradigm. They signify a decisive shift from ideas remaining only as aspirations to becoming tangible support systems, and from hopeful intent to concrete action. In short, we may call it a paradigm shift. Mizoram Banakai Venture Capital Fund, from idea to reality. For many years, Mizoram has been home to individuals endowed with strong skills, creativity, and entrepreneurship spirit. This potential has been clearly demonstrated in recent achievements. Mizoram emerged, as we have heard just now, as the overall champion at the India Skills Northeast Regional Competition 25-26. And in the previous year, several Mizo youths secured victories at the national level and went on to represent the nation on international platforms even. These accomplishments leave no doubt that Mizoram possesses talent and skill of the highest order. However, Despite this proven capability, the absence of adequate platforms, structured guidance, and timely financial support has prevented many promising ventures from taking shape. Numerous ideas have remained unrealized, not for lack of ability, but due to limited access to seed capital, mentorship, and clearly defined pathways for sustainable growth. The Banakai Venture Capital Fund has been conceived to address these long-standing gaps by converting skill into enterprise, ideas into action, and potential into lasting economic value. This is the first of its kind in Mizoram. This support is neither a grant nor charity. It is a trust-based investment, an expression of confidence and partnership. The fund will support early-stage ventures with strong growth potential, particularly in sectors that align with Mizoram's inherent strengths, including, number one, innovative and scalable business models. Number two, skill-based and industry-oriented product development. Number three, technology-driven enterprises. With effective utilization of this fund, entrepreneurs will be empowered to turn ideas into reality, scale up production, overcome marketing challenges, expand their operations, and grow sustainably. Banakai will thus serve as a crucial stepping stone for aspiring entrepreneurs to establish themselves on farm ground. Startup readiness level Mizoram, transparent, reliable, and credible. Well capital fuels growth. Trust enables progress. In this context, the SLR of Mizoram assumes great importance. SLR is not merely a record-keeping system, it is a credible platform that showcases Mizoram's entrepreneur ecosystem and diverse economic initiatives. Through SLR, achievements, efforts, and progress across sectors will become visible and verifiable. Through SLR, entrepreneurs will receive official recognition. Startups and MSMEs will gain greater visibility among investors, banks, and large firms. Policymakers will be able to design more effective and evidence-based schemes through latest data. Large firms will have clear insight into capabilities, locations, and operational strengths of local enterprises. In today's world, data is a vital measure of credibility. SRL will bring transparency, trust, and inclusiveness to Mizoram's business ecosystem. Together, Banakai and SRL will address two long-standing issues: inefficient utilization of resources and effort without direction, and usher Mizoram into a new phase of structured and sustainable growth. Let me state this very clearly. The government of Mizoram does not intend to control the business market. We have no intention to do that. Our role is to enable, facilitate, and guide. We do not promise instant success. We promise a supportive ecosystem. We do not select winners. We show the right path. Our commitment with entrepreneurs include creating transparent and clear systems, encouraging innovation and new initiatives, standing firmly with enterprises that generate employment and dignified livelihoods for our youth. At the same time, entrepreneurs also bear responsibility to conduct business ethically, manage finances prudently, and contribute back to Mizoram after they become successful in their business. One of the most significant recent developments benefiting entrepreneurs in Mizoram is the expansion of railway connectivity, which has brought our people and markets closer to the rest of India. What once depended on costly and time-consuming road or air transport now has become more affordable, reliable, and convenient. This improved connectivity eases the movement of goods and people, reduces isolation, and opens wider market opportunities for our local entrepreneurs. For business owners, the railway network enables quicker access to markets beyond the state, lowers transportation costs, and improves the competitiveness of Mizoram-based products. It allows entrepreneurs to plan production, sourcing, and distribution with greater confidence and efficiency. To support our entrepreneurs, we have handholding scheme. Under Phase 1, 751 loans have already been sanctioned, and 2,255 entrepreneurs have received financial assistance through the Chinese special package. Phase 2 has also begun, with 6 loan applications already approved. The active cooperation of banks under this initiative ensures that the entrepreneurs will receive timely financial support and guidance as they establish and grow their enterprises. We have signed MOU with 3 banks, and we found it a little insufficient. So we are going to sign more MOUs with more banks. The government will continue to do everything possible to support our entrepreneurs. Our message is simple: dream big, but build wisely. Mizoram is ready to support your aspirations. To investors and large firms, see Mizoram not as a remote corner, but as a land of immense opportunity. To our youth, entrepreneurship is a viable, dignified, and meaningful career path. To government officials and partners, ensure that these programs are implemented with efficiency, integrity, and measurable outcomes. Today, Mizoram takes a decisive step towards a resilient, inclusive, and forward-looking economy. With the Mizoram Banakai Venture Capital Fund, we will nurture growth. With SRL, we will build trust. We are not merely creating successful businesses, we are shaping a stronger future for generations to come. May this day be remembered as a moment when Mizoram reaffirmed faith in its own potential and collective strength. Thank you.